For sale, this is a Janome MemoryCraft 9000 embroidery and sewing machine. This machine is very easy to use and has a large touch screen. This embroidery machine is so much fun to create on. I've made everything from regular stitches to quilting, lace, embroidery from designs, and freehand embroidery. This MemoryCraft 9000 machine has 150 built-in stitches, which include regular stitches, decorative stitches, and a buttonholer, and it even has letters and numbers. This comes with a huge lot with instructions, the machine, 22 memory cards with hundreds of designs, case, bag, thread, bobbins, removable foot press, knee bar, templates, miracle stitcher yarn embroidery system, 3 different size hoops with cloth setter. Right now I'm embroidering a toy soldier on towel fabric, and it's going to be a gift for Christmas. Sorry, get a little bit closer. He's looking very pretty. This machine is available on Etsy.com. You can find it in lanasline, LANASLINE.